Today we're going to review a butane powered soldering iron. So it's also a torch. So we're going to check the effectivity on this one. So we do have the torch, and we do have soldering iron parts. Soldering iron and the lid, then stand, the cleaner, and the cleaning chemical. Okay, so let's see how we're going to use this one. Got this from Lazada, and start off by setting this aside and checking the torch. I know that so on YouTube that you have to light this using a lighter. So let's get a lighter here and turn on the butane. There we go. So we do have the torch now. It's adjustable to its size or the heat. Well, good. And then let's see if we're able to use the soldering iron. First I have to check if it's hot first. Okay, so here's the soldering iron. So all you have to do is remove the head, the torch head, then screw in the soldering iron head. What you're going to do here, you're going to have the screen or the mesh light up to bright yellow or orange. So once it's bright orange, then you'll be able to use the soldering part. It's good. It's made of good quality. I didn't expect that it would have this type of quality. So let's start it up. There you go. So it would show some flames on the heating part. So once it has enough heat, the flames would go out. So even if you light it up, it wouldn't show any flames on it. So there you go. It's trying to heat up the mesh, which is going to heat up the point, the soldering point. So as you can see, the flame is already out. Even if you light it up, it won't actually expel some flame. So let's go ahead and try to solder. Before you could use it, you have to wait for a few minutes to make sure that it's properly heated up. Then you'd be able to use it anytime. So let's see. So we do have a glass here, so it won't actually burn my mat. So we're going to do the soldering part. So I'm going to use its soldering here and see if it would actually work. So let's try to heat it up a little. And so it's, as you can see, it's actually bright yellow, or kind of orange. So now we can use the soldering iron. So let me try to do the soldering. Okay, So this should be good. Let's see. There we go. Looks like it's working as designed. It's actually easy to use. It's soldering the iron in a good way. So I believe this is a good buy then. It's good because it's actually portable. You could bring it anywhere. You don't have to use any type of outlet to use this soldering iron. So I would really prefer this one for our electrician friends there. It's also a handy tool that you could bring anytime. So there you go. That's our butane powered soldering iron torch, which I bought from Lazada. Thank you.